Exit status in bash. I will explain here for beginner very easy way to understand. And exit status. Okay, and now what is this actually? Let's say we run in bash some command ls list and we see the result, right? Like ls long list, we see the result, correct? And we also can write command touch and let's say create file.txt. File is creating. This is how we work. Now what I mean by exit status, let's say I type ls and it shows result. Now I want to see if this is successful. We can see this is successful. It gives the result. It can also fail. Okay, let's say I type ls. Yes, this is a wrong command, so it fails. Touch file dot one dot txt, it create the file. Okay, now if I write touch, this is a wrong command. Okay, file let's say 2.txt. So it does not give any result. We can see that it is wrong or error. Now I want to type ls and we see it is successful. And now I'm going to type echo. This is a special variable in bash shell C here, and it gives 0. Okay, now I'm going to type, let's say touch. This is a wrong command, and or like ls, type just this echo, and it gives 127, right? So you see the differences. Now if I try to do this thing, that ls, it also shows error. Okay, so if I type this, it gives 127. From here, what you understand, if you can think a little bit, that when it is successful, it shows 0. And when command is wrong, this command is wrong, it gives 127, right? So when it is successful, we type the ls command and we get a result. And if we want to check, this is a special variable, exit status. So it was successful and we found 0. And here we type the wrong command and we understand this is not found, so it is showing that 127 when we are typing the wrong command. Okay, remember this, I type the wrong command and it gives 127. Okay, this is two different things. When it is success, it is 0. When I typing wrong command, it gives a 127. Okay, now I am typing ls, so again it gives the correct result, right? You see this, the differences. I'm going to now do a different thing. Like you saw ls, it works echo and echo echo, right? 0 when it's successful is 0. And when I type wrong command, and then command not found, and then we see 127, correct? Now I can do something like this, that ls, or when we want to see the details of a file, we type cat file name. So like here we have file name, animal color, file 1, file 2. Okay, now I am typing a file x. Actually it does not exist here. Okay, so press enter. So it is not here. Okay, echo. Now I want to see the exit status. It says 1, right? You see the differences. When it is successful, it shows 0, and when it is not successful, it gives different value. All right, now let's say I'm typing ls and typing again x. It also shows that ls cannot access, no such file directory. So now echo, this is a special variable in Linux or Unix. So now see that no such file or directory, and it gives 2. Okay, so when it is successful you will get a value 0, and when it is not successful, for beginner to understand, it will give a value that is other than 0. Okay, now also why it is giving different value, that is another part, but still you can see that when type command is wrong, when you type the wrong command, it gives 127 typing wrong. And other cases, catx, this file does not exist, no such file. And ls, I'm trying to open something using ls, and it is ls list, it also does not exist, it gives 2. So in basically you have to understand exit status. When it is successful it will give 0, and when it is not successful it will give other than 0, 1 to 127 you saw. And this is a variable in Unix or Linux operating system. That's all for beginner. Thank you very much.